This festive season, give your home a makeover gift. From kitchen to bathroom renovation, from furnitures to curtains, from lights to wooden flooring, end-to-end wall decor and home decor. One-stop decor solution. Visit soon at Asian Paints Beautiful Homes, Kedarmul, Bimal Kumar, Lakhiya Road, Shillong.
मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड के संगमा ने आज शिलांग में राज्य सम्मेलन केंद्र में खनिज संसाधन निदेशालय मेघालय सरकार द्वारा आयोजित NIMT के माध्यम से खनिज अन्वेषण को बढ़ाने पर कार्यशाला का उद्घाटन किया। उद्घाटन भाषण देते हुए मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड के संगमा ने कहा कि कार्यशाला का आयोजन भारत को विकसित भारत बनाने के राष्ट्र के लक्ष्य में योगदान देने के उद्देश्य से किया जा रहा है। उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि समकालीन समय में प्रौद्योगिकी की प्रगति के साथ खनिज अन्वेषण अधिक सटीक, आसान और वैज्ञानिक हो गया है। उन्होंने कहा, NICC जैसे प्रौद्योगिकी भागीदारों ने न केवल खनन गतिविधियों में बल्कि जल संसाधन और वन संसाधन मानचित्रण जैसे अन्य क्षेत्रों में भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है।
For Meghalaya using space technology. So Dr. Sharma will give us science division at Nissan, who will be highlighting the mineral resources. To present the memento to Shri Victory of Mining and Geology Department to kindly deliver the welcome address. Thank you. I again bias R, Assistant Geologist, to present the bouquet to Shri Asit.
That from the very beginning, I remember in 2018, in my first term, when I had taken over as Chief Minister, we had a very, very crucial problem in front of us in regards to the coal mining issues that we had, and how we had environmental issues, scientific mining issues. We had issues about land ownership and constitutional protection and different aspects of mining that were related to in the coal sector. And obviously during that time also, and I remain with the same stand even today, is that while we are exploring and the need to explore and mine the different resources for the overall development of our state and our country, we also need to ensure that with the use of technology and correct methods, we should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology, minimize the impact on the environment. I think that is very important to also remember. I know that there will always be a choice you'll have to make at certain point or a certain, we have to draw the line somewhere in one way. But I think it's important that we as stakeholders cannot completely ignore that aspect, is what I'm saying. And it's important that sustainability and the future generation and how we mine should be part of this. And that's why NGT and others have played their role. And obviously we are working together with every stakeholder. We're working closely with the Mines Ministry, with the Coal Ministry, to ensure that that balance is maintained. And I think the most critical word today, which I would like to leave all of you with, is the word balance.